I'm going to start the day by putting on my work clothes. I was assigned a locker containing overalls like these. They're rather thin and won't do much against the cold, but they're worn to protect my clothes from dirt. They also have reflectors to make me more visible on site. I was given a warm jacket with some more reflectors, and I have to wear a protective vest, hard hat and goggles. You're not allowed to show up at the mining site without them. Special footwear is also required. The shoes are very tight and metal-lined to protect against heavy falling objects. They're also very warm. I will need some time to put all this on. It's awkward to do for the first time, but here we go. Now I'm ready for the pre-shift meeting. Kumtor is the largest mining operation in Kyrgyzstan. The mine alone employs more than 1,500 employees and contractors on a daily basis. The mine is operating 24 hours a day in 2 shifts, each 12 hours long. For better coordination, each group holds a pre-shift meeting. Here we are at the pre-shift meeting. They do this every morning so the current shift can receive assignments for the working day. It's 6 a.m. Normally a meeting starts with a senior mine foreman handing out assignments to his team.
Listen up, guys. We have 2 shovels operating in the pit. The 28th and the 23rd. Anvar, the 40th. 1240. You also follow the berm. Leave some space to your left for another shovel. 25th. Talas, you're working here. Clear the wall.
During these meetings, the senior mine foreman discusses safety violations committed during the previous shift. This is very important. Every violation, even a minor one, is subject to discussion in order to avoid serious accidents in the future. Also, the shift is informed of the blasting schedule. Blasting operations are daily practice here, and you can't do without them. To mine gold, you have to remove thousands, if not millions, of tons of compressed waste rock.
Blasting will be in the pit, both at the lower and upper ends.
The drilling and blasting operations group is conducting its pre-shift meeting in a neighbouring room at the same time. The mine foreman and his team are also discussing the place, time and technical details of the scheduled blasting operations.
Blasting today will be at 2 p.m. The top shop and the concrete plant are not safe.
The mine foreman has just identified what mine facilities should be evacuated. For security reasons, prior to blasting, the equipment should be removed from the mine. Those that are located at a safe distance will continue to operate. The meeting identifies blasting points and ore to be loaded into the trucks and delivered to the mill.
Our mine engineers plan both long and short-term operations at the mine site.
The mine's engineering department could be called its brain. They identify the places where blasting, drilling and mining will take place. Also, it's their responsibility to determine the amount of ore to be sent to the mill. The mill must be operating 24 hours a day. Every idle day costs the company a lot of money. Thus, the gold ore supply must be sufficient to allow processing and recovery to continue at the regular level, without overload or idle hours. Planning, distribution of resources and employees' attitude
regarding their duties are the key factors for the mine to continue operating efficiently. Otherwise, it would be impossible to produce gold in such a challenging environment. But let's return to the pre-shift meeting with the blasting and drilling department. The meetings can also be pleasant as they provide an opportunity to present awards to the best employees for outstanding observation of safety regulations. Kumtor has a system which encourages employees to comply with safety rules where they are praised and given bonuses. Employees who have worked for 5 years without a single lost time accident receive a golden badge and certificate. Those who have worked for 10 years get a watch, and a golden ring is given to those who have worked for 15 years without experiencing an LTA.
I've worked around the world. And what I find about the Kyrgyz working here at Kumtor is they're very hard-working, very intelligent, they're very honest, and they're also very upfront and tell you how they feel, and they also tell you what they want, and probably the most important, they're very safe workers.
After the meetings, everyone goes back to work. Safety rules forbid employees to travel around the mine site on foot, therefore, all employees take Kamaz buses to their workplaces.